So I was playing with my cat with the laser and it's fading out. It's already dying. You guys can see that. So my laser is no longer working and my dog likes it too. So I need to replace the battery, and this one takes those kind of batteries. It's a little mouse with a little laser, but look how faded it is. All right, today we're going to bring a set of batteries, actually many sets. It's 50 batteries in here. So if you have hearing aids that constantly needs replacing the batteries, these are lithium batteries, LR44 batteries, all right? So I have an actual mouse toy that I play with my cat a lot. He has a laser, and this thing runs out of juice always. So to replace it, I end up buying these batteries because there's multiple sets of batteries. And the best thing about it is like they all like, you don't have to really cut them. You know, you could just come through here. You don't have to really worry about, you know, losing them. And if you want, if you're selling any kind of batteries through a store, this is another option you could have by cutting them out and just putting them in front of your store, because it's always necessary to use these kind of batteries for many items, you know, so not just toys, other accessories, but a lot of hearing aids carry the same brand too. So let's go ahead and open it up and test them out, see how well they work with this mouse. All right, so we're gonna open our little mouse and take out our old batteries, and fortunately the batteries don't last a long time. If you can see, there's 3 batteries in here, same kind of battery that it takes on, so we're gonna go ahead and replace them. Right now the laser is dying out, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the battery. That's simple to put them in sometimes on these toys, but today we're going to make an exception, and there they are. Close it up, lock it in place, and there you go. So looking for replacements, these are perfect. If you're a salesperson or have a store, you want to sell these are perfect, and they're inexpensive and easy to get. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.